guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Charlie and I make handmade polymer clay earrings and accessories for my business called Charrings. I thought it might be fun today to get AI to create us a pair of earrings and I recreate it. I've not even done a little practice run on this, so I have no idea how this is gonna go. If this is posted, it means that it actually gave me a pair of earrings to make and we did it. If not, it means that AI just had no idea what I was talking about and this was an absolute fail. But it was an idea that I had in my head the other day and I was thinking, I wonder if I asked AI to make me a pair of earrings that it would actually create something. Okay, so I'm gonna say, make me a photo of a pair of polymer clay earrings I can recreate. Let's just put it out there and see. Okay, it's creating the image. I have no idea what to expect here. I'm a little bit nervous. Ew. They're ugly. Can you make some with a bit of extra colour? We don't want brown. This isn't, does this look like a channel that likes brown? No. Okay, they've made the same pair, but colourful. Okay, that's what they want, that's what they want, fine. Let's make them then. So this pair of earrings are arched and they've got like a pink stud and then they've got some flowers going up it. Obviously this is AI. It might be better than what I'm going to produce because it's not real, but I'm going to try my best. So let me grab all the colours that I need for this and let's give it a go, shall we? Right, I've got the coloured clay here. I'm going to make it more to my colour palette. So I'm going to use the colours but make it more for me. So for example, the pink stud, I'm going to make it a bit pinker. So we've got white, they're cream, but we've got white because I think white will be better. I've got this kind of sunflower yellow for the top arch. I've got this pink, which is more of a pinky pink than what they've used. And then I've got the blue, which again is more of a blue than what they've used. Green, more of a green than what they've used, and a pastel pink. So they're the colours that we're going to work with because I feel like that will just look better. And I don't have this exact colour, surprisingly, but I have this one, which is a little bit too curly. This one, but the edges are a little bit too round. This one, but is far too wide. This one, which is a little more arched. And this one, which is most similar, but it does have stripes. I think I'm gonna go for the striped one just because it's most similar in shape. Like I said, we're gonna put our own creative twist on it. First, we need to roll all the clay into the pasta machine. I start with white because most colors transfer onto white. So if I do that first, there's no clay to be transferred onto it. Here is all the clay and we've got the cutter, so now we're ready to go. First we want to cut out the white arches. Perfect. I don't know how this is going to work, but let's try and do the upper half. It makes it difficult because it's stripy, so I don't think it's just not really gonna work, to be honest, so we might have to miss that bit out. I'm gonna trial it on one bit. Cut this like here. Oh god, it's upside down. And then if we put this on top of the earring. Again, this isn't how I would usually do it, guys. That was just really bad idea. Ew. Stunning. Could I maybe cut around it? Right, I'm going off a whim here. Maybe, just maybe I could try and make this work. That is horrid. Let's be honest, that is god awful. Right, that's a no from me. I think we're gonna forget the yellow bit, which I know that is not the rules of the game, but you know, we're just using it as inspiration. We're not fully copying it because, as we said, it isn't real. So let's start with a stem going up. This is actually going to be really difficult on the stripes, but oh well. So I'm going to roll up a piece of green. I'm going to do it 3D. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just really winging this. I'm really trying to make it work, but it's just like not working. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. And we need another one on this side as well. Okay, I'm gonna thin this out even more because I think it's just too thick. I'm just gonna carve them out myself. I think that's gonna be best. I just want tiny leaves like that. I'm making a few, one because they're all different shapes that I'm doing here, so I want them to try and be as like equal as possible, but also there are a lot of leaves on these earrings. Pull this off, see what we're working with. Okay, you can see the very different sizes. So I think this sort of size is better. Oh, where did that go? Oh, I'm just gonna press some detailing into it like that as well. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Look at that bad boy. And then we'll just pop that there. Not as cutesy as I imagined. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, and then we need 3 more over here as well. The leaves on this side are done. We've got some leaves over on this side that we need to do as well. So let's just get all the leaves done first. I'm gonna do pink first. I'm gonna do this darker pink, I think. Okay. I'm gonna pop it on here and roll it out to make it 3D. And then I'm gonna pop that like that. Oh, I don't love it. Okay, I actually hate that. I think the problem is we need such a small flower. It's working out to be quite difficult. Might have to do this instead. And we'll roll this one out instead. Oh, that's so much better. Yeah. And then we need a yellow center. Cute. Then we need a yellow flower for up here, but that flower is actually tiny. I think I'm gonna do the same flower. There we go. On there, lovely. That one needs a green inside. It's strange. I feel like that's a bit too big actually. Let me make that a little bit smaller. It feels a bit big that. Because I'm trying to make it quite different to this one. So if we make it really small. What about that? That is actually tiny. And then it's got some blue leaves above here for whatever reason. So let's do that, I suppose. I feel like that's just gonna ruin it a little bit, but I'll follow the rules. And believe it or not, that's not the end of the blue leaves because we do have some on this side as well. But we'll do the flowers here and then we'll get to that. So here is actually, I'm gonna do a light pink flower. It's actually purple on the picture, but to tie it in with the top bit that I'm gonna do light pink instead. I'm gonna put this pink one here, and that's got yellow in the middle. There we go. Okay, that's this one done. I'm gonna put a hole in it, and if we cut the 2 circles out for the top, yeah, I think maybe more this size, just a little bit bigger. Okay. They're very fun packed and look nothing like the picture. Oh dear, this is not working well, but they look cute still. I really like them. Right, let's move over to this one. So we actually have blue leaf there. So let's put a stem. really cute. They're very like garden whimsical sort of vibes. I actually really like them. I would wear these, you know. I think they're actually really cute. Right, let's pop these in the oven then and do the attachments at the end, and we'll see what we're working with at the finished result. Okay, they've come out the oven and I actually love them. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really think they're cute. I've done the attachments and everything to completely finish them off, and ready for the reveal. Drum roll, please. Bam! How cute are they? They're like fairy garden. I would never ever come up with something like this either, because it's just completely different to what I usually make. However, I would definitely make these again. I feel like we might have to do an episode 2 of this to see what else we could create, because it really gets you out of your comfort zone and gets you to try something new. And right now, I'm gonna pop these on the website. They're gonna be in a limited edition section. So when you go to the website, go to shop and then go to limited edition, you will find these on there. Obviously, it will be first come, first served, because these are a 1-of-1 pair of earrings. So if you'd like to get them, I would be quick, and they may already be gone, who knows? Honestly, I feel like they were a real trust the process pair of earrings until pretty much the very end, but now I've stepped away and looked back at them, I'm like, how cute are they? I actually want them for myself a little bit, so I might recreate them again and make them for myself. But if you'd like to get them, like I said, they're on the website now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see like this, because I had so much fun making these. Please like, hype the video, press the bell icon so you get notified when I upload brand new videos, and of course subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.